Ma'am, he didn't ask me for money.
Okay. It's not just you, alright? So, what they wanted to do, they wanted to trespass. So after they got the link there, okay, you can't come back on service ever again. Okay, alright. That makes the ID on you.
By the way, you guys suck for letting a homeless man see. He didn't even ask me for food. You guys suck. You guys suck. I'll never be back here. You guys suck. He didn't even ask me for food. I brought him from outside. You guys suck for giving him a trespass. Yes, you did. You suck. You suck.
Sir, please.
Sir, what?
Calm your voice. That's what I'm asking.
This is how I talk. I talk loud. If the officer has a problem with that, the officer is going to arrest me.
Sir, you're being disorderly.
I'm not being disorderly.
Yes, you are.
The guy he didn't ask me for food. And I saw him across the street and I brought him over here and gave him food.
Okay, we're here because apparently he's asked multiple people, okay? Multiple people have complained. So it's not just you, okay? If management is asking you to quiet down,
I'm just asking you to quiet down. I don't even know what's going on, but you're yelling.
What's going on is you
That's
suck.
inappropriate.
You suck.
Okay, and
Yeah,
you
I brought him
too.
over. I brought him over.
Sir,
as soon as they
off-
saw him, no, he's not getting food.
First
He's
off-
not getting food. I paid for his food. He's
Sir,
getting
sir,
food.
Sir, calm down. I understand your compassion for others. I do. But you do not have to raise your voice ever. Especially to
Fuck
me,
if
because
I
I
ever
haven't
come
done
back
anything
here
to you.
again. I ain't never coming back here again. Hell no.
That's fine with me. But right now, you do need to calm your voice. That's all.
You guys suck.
last name is Davis, first name James, date of birth 1948.
I got my job paying the kingdom. I got to get on down there and get it.
And I'm not stopping you from doing that. I've got to put this trespass on you.
Okay, I won't come back tomorrow.
Fucking crazy motherfuckers. McDonald's in Myrtle Beach. I bring a homeless guy from right here, bring him to eat, bring him inside. As soon as they see him, they tell him he can't eat. They call the cops for trespassing. The guy did nothing wrong. As soon as they saw him.
I'd like him removed now, please.
Okay.
Forget about this guy. He's done.
Sir, can you please leave premises?
Can I finish my food?
No, you can leave right now. He
Can I
wants-
get a refund for my
he wants
food?
you out.
Can I get a refund for my food?
No, you cannot.
It's not me. I'm not civil court. 10-4, can you place an indefinite trespass on me from this property?
Can I get a refund for my food if I can't finish my food?
I cannot do that. I just explained to you I'm not civil court. Okay? He wants you removed. You have to go. That's all. You can take his name.
Can I get his name, please?
Yep.
Can I get your name, please? Can I get your name, please?
I would like you to leave, sir.
Alright. Can you just provide him with information?
I'm getting kicked out of here because I gave a homeless guy food, by the way, guys. Just so you know, I gave a homeless guy food. They're kicking me out. Yes, because you need to kick him out.
You're being disorderly.
No, because I'm being loud, because I'm telling you what you did was wrong.
Hey, listen, you have to leave. You have to leave.
Yeah, I'll probably end up going to jail. That's what's going to
You're not
happen.
going to go to jail.
Yeah.
I'm asking you nicely.
Yeah, I want to sit here and finish my food. So then I want a refund.
You don't have that.
But when
What
when
I'm saying is,
they-
listen,
why-
I'm not here. I'm not here to argue with you. I am the law, okay? You need to get your stuff and leave. That is all, okay? You want a refund, you got to go through corporate. I am not corporate. I am here to tell you, get your stuff
Okay.
and leave.
Can I get my receipt, please? I want my receipt.
So you got it? You got it?
No, I don't. I didn't get a receipt. May I get a receipt, please? No, I did not get a receipt. Can I get a receipt, please? Do you mind reprinting me my receipt, please?
Is that doable?
McDonald's in Myrtle Beach. I'm getting kicked out for giving a homeless guy food.
Okay, guys. See right here on your tray. All right.
You guys suck, though.
34 minutes. Actually, it's 40.
Come, I'll buy you food somewhere else. Come on, let's go somewhere. Come on. Come, jump in my car. Come on. I know you didn't. You don't need to. That's stupid. You know what you're doing is wrong. You know that already. Deep inside you, you know that. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. It's very wrong.